Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. For one, I wanted to say I have a whole new lighting situation going on, so I'm excited. We need this good lighting because I want that glow to be popping like it is doing right now. Ooh, I'm so silly. Anywhoozy, today's video we are going to be learning how to taper jeans. So if you got a pair of those flare jeans, you probably got it at the thrift store or you just bought on some expensive website. Whichever the case, the price does not matter. You can still taper them. If you already have a pair of skinny jeans that you want to make skinnier, because in this day and age we want to be naked without actually having to be naked, you can taper those too. All within this tutorial. But first, if you want to know how to taper your jeans, you will want to subscribe and ring the notification bell because I post sewing tutorials and DIYs all the time. So there's more than just tapering jeans that we can be doing on this channel and that you can learn from me. Plus it's free. Who doesn't like free things? And you don't want to miss out on the opportunity to be a part of the family. Also, if you want to support my channel in a more financial way, then down below there is a link to my GoFundMe accounts to where you can donate any amount to my YouTube account. All proceeds will go back into you guys, nothing goes to me. It just goes forth into creating more creative content because everything takes money nowadays. And or you could do both. Any other way, just please at least subscribe and like this video. And put on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. And now with all that junk out the way, we can get on into this tutorial.
First, I wanted to start off by showing you the before shots of these bottoms. And let's shake what your mama gave you. Flip your jeans or bottoms inside out, and we're going to mark off with some sewing pins where we want to taper our jeans and how much we want to taper. I'm going for the skinny look, so I am going just to pin down as tight as I can, kind of close within proximity of my leg, of course, trying to avoid poking myself because that seems to be the very popular thing to do whenever you're sewing. Okay, maybe that's just me, but depending on what you're going for, whether that's straight leg, joggers, or skinnies, what you're doing, putting on the jeans, is just marking and seeing where you want to taper your jeans to get the desired look that you're going for. Just keep in mind, the steeper the diagonal or angle or whatever it is, then the more skinny or bootleg look that you're going for, and the more gradual, short, fat of a slip that you have, then the more jogger look you're gonna have. This is pretty simple. With the material of these pants that I used, if it's not jean material, then more than likely you are able to do this method as well. But you're just gonna go ahead and sew down what you have pinned down and cut off the excess material. Yeah, that easy. But before cutting off the excess material, make sure to try on the bottoms to see if they are the desired taperness that you want, if you need to take off more, if you need to redo it and take off less, whatever the case may be, always try on before you move on. With jeans, you are going to taper them differently. Most importantly, what you're going to do first is look at the seams. The difference between denim jeans and other pairs of bottoms of different materials is that generally, because the material is so thick, you need a heavy duty thread to hold it together, and sometimes one side of the seam, generally in the crotch area, may have this double seam that is holding the pants together while the other side may have a single seam. If that's the case, you're going to have to rework that differently than you would the first method. So have a handy dandy seam ripper, and on the side that is like a single threaded seam, you're just going to want to take out that seam completely. Flip the jeans inside out, and then this is where you're going to taper as much as you want down that seam. Do not touch the other side. I say this because it is way more difficult to take out that side of the seam in the first place. I swear they put some heavyweight champion Gorilla Glue type thread that you cannot get apart, or at least I can't, to save the life for me. On top of that, it just looks obvious whenever you go to sew your jeans, and unless if you don't care, then by all means do what you do. But if you wanted to make it look seamless, then just work on the one side that is the single threaded seam. At the end of the day, you still get the same result and very cute tapered jeans. Time for the results though, drum roll please. Brup. And here is the before again.
Special emphasis to certain sections of the orchestra, as heard from those positions. Now, when played back,
And here is the after. I felt like we did a really good job, guys.
give a new dimension and sound impossible to obtain in a monaural recording.
I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, please give me a big fat thumbs up. Tell me what videos you guys want in the comment section down below. And don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Bye, beautifuls.